far away apart. Two outfits will come. Dark brown, long boots. Hey vlog, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas day. What day is this? Is this day 4? This is day 4. Welcome to Vlogmas day 4. So I know what you're thinking. Wow, you look really cute. And wow, I love your hat. Wow, I love your set. Where on earth did you get it from? And actually some of you guys may be thinking, what in the world is this title? Because you just cleaned your apartment. You just said you're cleaning your apartment so that you can decorate your apartment. And granted, that would make a lot of sense. But that's not what today's video is. In today's video, I will be redoing my hair, completely taking these braids out and just upgrading myself because although this is cute, you know, the little Christmas hat with the braids and the fit, this is really cute. This is like under. Yeah, it looks so bad. And yes, it's past time for me to take these out. I'm trying to embrace my soft girl era, and this is not giving soft girl. Actually, it looks really rough. It's giving rough girl. So I am ready to take these out because they look like a hot mess, and I'm not even going to show you the back. It looks horrible. So that's what today's video will be. In today's video, I will be upgrading myself and going back to straight hair Anna because straight hair Anna is superior. And I will also be putting my extensions in. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Already have my cute little setup. I'll be filming in front of this area. And also, you know, I have my ring light and I have my mirror so that I can actually see what I'm doing. So yes, and I also have my scissors. But really quickly, let me film some before TikTok so I can do transitions and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, I said it once and I will say it again. I literally hate how quickly it gets dark. It's just now 4 o'clock and the sun is already starting to go down a little bit. So I have my ring light on and I just finished the transition TikToks. So yeah, I think I'm ready. I never know like where to start like the cutting process because I forgot how long my hair is. And I don't remember if I put like multiple layers or what. So I think to start, I'm just going to cut down here. I know my hair is not that long, but this is the first one. And then I will go based off of how long or short this one is how I will cut the rest of it. Watch it be like all the way up here and I was like, no reason for me to cut down here. Yeah, that's what I thought. That was humbling. Okay, well, it goes to here. It's not all the way up there. You gotta love shrinkage. So it goes to here, which means I was just about right, kind of, with where I cut it. It goes to here. Okay. So now I know where to cut the rest of them, but oh, I'm so excited to be done already. And I feel like this process will probably take, well, if I'm not stingy with where I cut the braids, it will take maybe an hour and a half, close to 2 hours. I was only kind of off. I think I cut it down here. But okay, so I should. But I feel like my hair gets longer as I go. Oh, I don't know. I'm just going to be safe the whole way. So I don't know. I decided we should be closer, first of all. Second, you can kind of see like the products and I guess maybe dust, I don't really know, that gathered at the roots. So I'll have to comb that out, but I'm almost done with the back. I just have a few more. Okay, the sun is going down now and it looks so pretty out there. I'm just kind of watching the sunset, but I'm also watching Netflix to pass the time. But so yeah, I am done with the first few rows and I learned from watching YouTube videos that you should comb out your hair as you go. So that way, because like you have all this product build up, so it will literally make it so hard to get through or comb it through. You see how tangled it is? Yeah, so it would make it so hard to comb it through if I waited to the very end or tried to do it all at one time. So I'm just splitting it up into sections and combing through, and then I'll start unbraiding again.
Truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up, and then we hit the club. Touchdown.
Okay, I'm trying not to cry because I accidentally cut my hair on this part, like my real hair. And so over here, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to have it like cut it longer. And I still cut my hair. So that lets me know, like, because when I cut it, I like went through each piece and like pulled it and I actually saw my real hair come out. So that lets me know that I cut off a lot over here if this is longer. And I'm just so impatient when it comes to like cutting it because it just takes so long, and it would be so much easier if I knew like where to cut it off at. But it's okay. It's just hair, it grows back, and you know what? At the end of the day, I needed a trim anyway. I forgot to trim my hair before I put the braids in, so I'm just telling myself it's okay. It's fine.
What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, Chuck to look around.
I've learned my lesson. Just cut it all the way down and then take the braid loose one by one.
Then I go and treat it too nice. Galleria credit
I
card
cannot
swipes.
believe that this right here. Will this focus on the outside and not me? Okay. Yeah, I cannot believe that this is 5 o'clock. Like, what? How is it so dark outside right now? I'm going to close the blinds. And this is how far we are right now. My light's still on. This is how far we are right now. I have all of this and a few more braids here in the middle. So I'm actually going to continue to watch my show, first of all, and continue to eat some snacks. I have some grapes and some chocolate. Fun fact, I have to eat chocolate with grapes because grapes really make my stomach hurt. And then chocolate like settles it. So I eat grapes with chocolate. Anyways, so that's what I'm going to keep doing. I'm going to keep eating that and keep watching my show. And I will get back to you guys whenever I have all of my braids out. I just finished the front, which means I'm done with the whole thing. And it feels so oily and greasy and disgusting. So, but it also feels so relieving and not heavy. Ow. So I'm excited to hop in the shower and wash my hair. But first, I really want to do a hair mask tonight. It is 8 o'clock now. So that took much longer, probably because I've been watching my show too. Wow, this feels so good. All right, I'm about to make this hair mask. And normally I blend it, but I don't really feel like doing that. I feel like that takes too much time. I use 1 egg, this avocado that you all saw me get not too long ago. And then I also have my olive oil that I'm just going to drizzle in there as well. And I just made a mess, which is exactly why I switched from the cute outfit you all saw me in earlier today to these. That's exactly why. Alright, I just tied a second bag on there. So I'm going to leave this hair mask on for about 30 minutes to an hour, and I will see you guys then. It's been literally like an hour and a half. I was talking to my parents, then I started scrolling on TikTok, and that's always the worst. But yeah, so I'm about to rinse this out. I just got out of the shower and I rinsed the hair mask out, and this is what my hair is looking like with the hair mask rinsed. Of course, you have the lovely, lovely shrinkage. But yeah, so I have the blow dryer all plugged up and we're ready to go. I've shown you all this before, but I use this shampoo and the matching conditioner. And I don't really know if it actually works or if it actually, you know, does anything, but I've been using it for a while now and I've seen major hair growth. So Like my hair has really grown. This is the longest my hair has ever been. I also use another conditioner as well. And so that's all I put in it while I blow dry it. And it also makes like the blow drying process easier because the blow dryer just slides through. And then right before I straighten it, I'm going to use this heat protectant that my mom gave me. I have no idea where it's from, but it like gives my hair a really nice shine. So that's what I'm going to use. And yeah, I'll give you guys just a quick time lapse of me blow drying my hair.
I promise you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you in your entire life. And he hasn't, and he never will.
Very positive I cut my hair in the hair unbraiding process. Oh, it's okay. I needed a haircut, and you won't be able to tell when I put my extensions in. Well, you probably can't tell now. I can tell because I know how long my hair was, but it's okay. It's okay. We're not going to get upset. It does look a little choppy. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that, or if I'm even going to do anything about that, but I'm done now, and I'm about to heat up my straightener. Almost done now, and I'm feeling very good. This is much more oily than I thought it would be, but granted, I did put olive oil in my hair mask, and I forgot I normally do that when I wear my hair curly. So this is a lot more oil than I'm used to, but it's okay because it will still blend with my hair extensions. Actually, it might blend even better with my hair extensions, so whatever. I'm still content with how it's looking. Okay, I am done with my hair. This is how she's looking. I think she looks really cute. And now I'm just going to do my edges really quickly. I love the whole... okay, I am a sucker for the whole like 90s look, like Ashley from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, or what's the girl from that 70s show? Oh, Jackie. Yes, Jackie from that 70s show. I love their hair, the volume behind their hair. So I don't really want all that volume in the back at all, but I do want it in the front though. So I like to bump the front kind of like this, and then let it like curl up like that. And I think it's so cute. I was also considering bangs at one point. Like, wouldn't that be so cute? But yeah, like curtain bangs will be fine for now. And then I like to kind of add a curl to the bottom because it adds more volume, but also like I don't want that much volume. I don't really know what I want. I just know like I want the front to have that volume look. So that's exactly what we have right now. And now, although I'm not going to sleep in it because that would definitely pull my hair out, I'm going to show you guys the hair extensions that I'm so excited to wear. So these are the ones I have with me in Atlanta. I have not combed them out since, so they are a little matted and tangled, so I need to comb them out. But as you can see, my hair is brown, dark brown, while the extensions are black. So that's the only dilemma here, but I feel like with it being so oily, it will blend a lot better. So I'll go and just try to put this in right now.
Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no static with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. Up and down, baby. Every reminiscing. Every I'm missing you.
Figuring out where all of the pieces fit the best is always the hardest part, but I think I got it. I think this is the last piece I'm adding to the top here. If it will just snap. This one's easy. It's like a little snap in place type of deal. And this is what it's looking like right now. I think it's cute, and I love how long it is. It looks so bad right now, but one second. You literally have to trust the process with this. Okay. Then here we go. There we go. I just wanted it to blend a little more, and when it's up higher, my hair looks more like highlights with the dark color. And now I just have to comb it, and I'm actually pretty happy with it. I think my other extensions that I haven't put heat on would look better. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because I will probably be wearing that one instead of this one that I've already put like a curl to. But yeah, so this is the final look. I think it looks so good, especially considering this was really you have to trust the process type of situation. But this is how long it is. I think it's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love having longer hair. I love having straight hair. I also love my curly hair too. Don't get me wrong. But anyway, so this is how my hair is looking right now. I love it. I think it's so cute. I'm not going to stop touching it. But yeah, so that is actually going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I told you I'm not going to stop touching it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here tomorrow with another vlog.